934 Shady Charmer. It's the neighbor's music. This looks like they recently painted the front door. So the walls are a little gray looking. The baseboards look really nice. The MLS says that these are vinyl planks, and it does appear to be, to me. 3 blinds in here, 3 blinds in here, and a huge arch fan or rice paper. So we're at 7 windows. Beautiful quartz counters, undermount sink, upgraded cabinets, good toilet. That was 7 windows. Yeah. Okay. Laundry's downstairs, right at the foot of the stairs. It looks like gas. 8 windows, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 windows, an arch fan and a slider. So you would probably put your dining table right here, and this would be your living space. This side of the house really doesn't get sun. Ooh. Beautiful kitchen. Might want to get a gooseneck, but everything else looks really nice. And a fridge. Washer, dryer, fridge. Okay, let's head upstairs. Ooh, carpet feels really nice. Feels padded. Right at the top of the stairs, you have the powder room. So I think we're at 13 windows, so I think this is 14. $65 to replace and add a shower rod as well. 15, 16, 17. Everything looks great. Paint, carpet, baseboards. So I believe this is the vinyl plank as well. A shower rod, drain ring in here as well. Gorgeous. Oh, I just lost count of the windows. Okay, so I think it was 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I think we're at 17. 18. I don't know about that one. I don't know about that one either. 20, let's count it anyway. 21, 22. So maybe 23 windows. This is a small room, but it's not the master, so it's pretty standard, I guess. That's it.